right, Mark Deering here from Remax. We've got another new listing for you here. We are in Wyoming today. This place is a 4-bedroom, 1+ bath, immaculate. You'll see here just in a minute. Come on inside. Welcome. Check this place out. Look at all of the fresh paint, and it's decorated so nice. You've got nice hard surface floor. You've got updated windows. And if you head on over here and follow me to the kitchen, this kitchen was repainted by the owner, and it's got a lot of countertop space. The dishwasher is new, and the stainless steel appliances, can't go wrong there. This fun little coffee bar desk is stained. The owner has decided to leave that coffee bar for you. You've got a nice dining area. Before we head out to the 3-season room in the back, let's walk this way. You have, like I had mentioned at the beginning, 4 bedrooms, bath and a half. So there's 2 bedrooms on the main floor. Let's go this way first. This is going to be the primary. You've got 2 nice windows. This does have 2 closets, which we'll show you here in a second. So there is 2 closets. Between the 2 bedrooms is a full bath, tile floor in here, and nice tub surround. Very spacious, very cool. Heading this way, you have bedroom number 2. Perfect setup for a kid's room right now. But the whole home is decorated very neutral, so you could convert it to whatever you'd like. Let's go upstairs next. So to get upstairs, you come back through the living room and you head up. So heading on up, you've got 2 more rooms up here. You can smell the new carpet. That's how new it is. Let's show you this one. All right, so this is the 3rd bedroom you're looking at. Look at the size of this room. You could put a king-size bed. Still have room for a couple sitting chairs. You can make this a big craft room. My wife would really appreciate that. Hobby room, office, whatever you like. This is huge. A couple little fun facts here too. There's some built-in cabinets. Nice built-in cabinets there. Soft close. And bedroom number 4. So it's not too often you get that full 4-bedroom. You get that perk here for sure. That's the upper level. Just kind of want to show you the flow a little bit. Walk back through, kitchen, stairway to go downstairs. So we enter into the lower level, and you have a lot of storage space down here. If you walk this way, this could be another office, whatever you wanted to finish down here. Note the mountain bike. And you head this way, and you do have a nice half bath, real nice half bath there. And I'm seeing a trend, another bike. Interesting. You have an updated water heater. You've got a furnace with a humidifier on it. All of these built-in shelves, great for storage. And obviously you've got your washer and dryer down here to kind of continue to show you the flow. Big room here, just ready for you to turn it into whatever you'd like. So that's the lower level, and then you walk over this way and you have a nice breezeway. Note these doors. I like these doors a lot, the glass doors. This is a really good sized mud room / breezeway. You got plenty of storage for shoes. You got a nice slider out the back. Big coat hooks, really nice coat hooks. Really, really nice coat hooks. And then you've got the slider. This is a nice oasis back here. It's a nice, beautiful day today. You can see they got the table out, umbrella. This is a nice concrete area, so plenty for entertaining. The grill is right there behind you. This yard is something you don't always get in the city lots. It's all fenced in. You got enough room back here to play football if you wanted. The play equipment does stay with the property. And you got a nice little fire pit area back here. Sandbox, privacy all around. You do have storage behind the 1.5 stall garage, and then you have the 1.5 stall garage as well. And through this gate, I think it's very cool to point out that there's an extra pad here. So say you've got a pop-up camper, say you have a travel trailer, you can tuck it over here. You still have the 1.5 stall garage, plenty of off-street parking, however you want to arrange it. Very good setup. So there you have it, 4-bedroom, 1+ bath. Awesome backyard you just got done seeing. So many updates, you can't even hardly list them. This place is move-in ready. Give us a call for your private tour.